Hello everyone, welcome to Alex-Arsenbo channel. In this video, we'll show you our 3-door upright freezer. The capacity of inner cabinet is 1,600 liters. So if you need large capacity for frozen food in your kitchen, this product is worth it for you. The outer and the inner cabinet are stainless steel, and there are 3 layers of adjustable shelves, and the thickness of foaming layer is 60 mm. Adaptive air cooling, this freezer is very fast to freeze food, and the cooling unit is under mold, so that's very easy to install. No need to install split units. And if you like this product, please contact us.